Hey folks, Kevin here. Well, it is a sunny, cold day here in central New York. Below freezing. I think it's just above freezing now, probably around 33 or 34 degrees Fahrenheit.
There was a boy who walked alone down dusty roads he'd always known. Head hung low, hands in his jeans, chasing half-forgotten dreams. They said he'd never go too far, just another kid with a crooked start. But deep inside a quiet flame was waiting for a spark of change. Years rolled on like the turning tide, hard work etched in the lines of life. Every fall and every stand built the strength in these two hands. Through broken nights and rising sun, through every mile that had to be run, the boy kept walking through the storm, slowly finding his own form. Now I see the man in the mirror, standing stronger year by year. All the doubts and all the scars brought me right to where we are. I finally see what life deliver, the truth that time could not conceal. The boy I was and the man I've grown are stronger than I ever dreamed. Not every road was paved in gold. Some were rough and bitter cold, but every step along the way carved the path beneath my feet today. And somewhere back in yesterday, a boy who felt he lost his way would never guess what man he'd be. If only he could stand here and see. Now I see the man in the mirror, standing stronger year by year. All the doubts and all the scars brought me right to where we are. I finally see what life delivers, the truth that time could not conceal. The boy I was and the man I've grown were stronger than I ever dreamed. So if you're that kid with lowered eyes, feeling small in a world so wide, just hold on tight and don't let go. You're stronger than you even know. Now I see the man in the mirror, clearer now than ever before. Every stroke the man I'm standing for. And the boy inside still whispers, you made it farther than you feared. And I thank that stubborn dreamer every time I face the mirror. October sky, cold wind blowing through. Life was breaking down, didn't know what to do. World falling apart, nothing felt right. Then you came along, brought me back to light. House full of trouble, noise and tears, walking on edges through those years. But you stayed steady, quiet and strong, never asked why things went wrong. You were my ray of sunshine on the darkest days I knew. When the world felt heavy, I could always count on you. Didn't need attention, didn't need the spotlight on. You just kept on giving love like it was never gone. Baby raccoons crying through the night, you'd hold them close, make it all alright. Your small, gentle hands, but strong somehow. Even back then, I can see it now. Time don't wait, it rolls on fast. Little girl, don't ever last. One day you let go of my hand. I knew right then I had to understand. You were my ray of sunshine, still are. Yeah, you still are. We used to walk those mall hall floors, your little hand wrapped tight in mine. Didn't think twice,
didn't think twice.
thought that moment would last my whole life.
Daddy, I'm right here beside you. I feel safe when you hold my hand.
I don't know about forever, I just know you're my whole world, Dad. Then one day you pulled away, said, I'm good, Dad, I'll be okay. You walked ahead, didn't look back. That's the day my heart felt that.
I was just trying to be brave, like you always taught me to be.
I didn't know it hurt you that way.
I thought you were proud of me.
When you let go of my hand,
I didn't understand
how time could move so fast,
like sand through a man.
1 minute you're my little girl, next you're making your own stand. Yeah, the world got bigger
when you let go of my hand.
I didn't let go of you.
I was was just learning how to stand.
You said you wanted to stay behind. Different road, different time. Hardest choice I ever made.
Let you go
And just have faith.
I needed to find my way, but I carried you inside. Every step I ever took,
You were right there in my life. Now you're raising kids of your own. Built a life, built a home. Same strong heart, same gentle ways.
still giving more than you take.
You showed me how to love like that.
You showed me how to care.
Everything I am today
Started with you being there.
Now I see what I couldn't then.
Letting go is how love bends,
Doesn't break, it just expands.
far beyond these calloused hands.
Even when I walked ahead,
I was never far away.
I'm still your little girl inside.
That never changed, not a day.
When you let go of my hand,
I finally understand.
the world got bigger,
Yeah, it did.
but love just stretched its span.
I never really let go, Dad.